In the house of Jesse, David was not the most favorite, he was not the most selected, but in the place of favor, he got the throne. There are many of you under the sound of my voice. You are working hard, you are toiling, you are praying, you are working, but there is no favor. I prophesy in the place where you need to rule, may favor locate you. I prophesy in the place where you need to be celebrated, may favor locate you. I prophesy in the place of labor, may favor locate you. Let me hear that amen like I believe. Let me hear that amen like I believe. Let me hear that amen like I believe. I prophesy by the privileges of fathers that somebody will walk out of this place and like Mary, what you least imagine will happen to your life. It will happen to your destiny. It will happen to your destiny.